Welcome back to Car Reviews, where we bring you the most exciting and powerful machines on the planet. Today, we're stepping into a different league. This isn't just any vehicle, this is the Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer, the 2025 model. A beast designed for extreme performance, pushing the limits of power, durability, and technology. If you think luxury and brute strength don't mix, think again. Just look at this reinforced blade, wider, stronger, and more efficient than ever before. It's designed to handle the toughest terrains, whether it's deep excavation, road construction, or pushing tons of material in a matter of minutes. Caterpillar has taken its legendary design and pushed it to the next level. The tracks on this machine are engineered for ultimate traction and stability. Whether it's mud, rock, or sand, the D11 doesn't back down. The hydraulic system has been upgraded with high-pressure pumps, ensuring smoother blade movements and greater force with less effort. You can feel the power in every detail. Under the hood, if you can call it that, sits a next-generation Caterpillar turbocharged diesel engine, pushing 1,200 horsepower with advanced fuel efficiency. This isn't just about raw power, it's about smart power. The Eco mode optimizes fuel consumption, ensuring longer work hours without excessive fuel costs. Now, let's step inside. This is where Caterpillar has blended luxury with functionality. The fully digital control panel, a high-resolution touchscreen, and AI-powered diagnostics make operating this machine easier than ever. The 360-degree camera system gives operators a full view of their surroundings, ensuring safety and precision. It even has climate-controlled seating, reducing fatigue for long shifts. And when it comes to performance, the D11 Bulldozer is unmatched. With its automated terrain mapping system, the onboard AI analyzes the landscape and adjusts blade angles for maximum efficiency. This isn't just a brute force machine, it's a smart bulldozer that learns and adapts. The 2025 Caterpillar D11 is a revolution in heavy machinery. It's powerful, efficient, and smarter than ever. Whether you're in construction, mining, or large-scale land development, this machine is built to dominate. What do you think about this high-tech powerhouse? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews on the biggest and baddest machines in the world. This is Car Reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.